Hello. Have you ever solved a problem and then someone else looks at it and they come up with a completely different solution, which is perfectly valid? In this video blog, we'll have a look at problem solving. We'll look at a quote by Anaïs Nin, and she said, "We don't see things as they are, we see them as we are." I'll go through a worked example so you can see what I mean. So the problem that we want to solve, you've got a car park, and the car park has got a number of shrubs and trees in it. It sits within a courtyard, so there's a boundary around the car park. It's got an entrance and an exit, and the car park is full to capacity each day. The business is growing and we need more car park space. So what could be the answer? So in overcoming the capacity problem, I've identified 10 possible answers. We look at the first 5. Perhaps we could identify using a car share scheme if we were a team building expert. An ecological charity might suggest that we use public transport and discourage car usage. A mathematician could well say, well, let's look at the layout of the parking spaces and redesign them. If you're a traffic warden, you might just want to charge for usage, and that will discourage people from driving into the car park. If you're a demolition expert, you could suggest digging up the trees and shrubs to make more room available. So that's the first 5. So here are another 5 ideas on how we can solve this capacity problem. Directors might see it as a power issue. Only managers and directors get a car park space and everyone else has to make their own arrangements. If you're a builder, you might think about putting in a second level, a multi-storey car park. Likewise, if you're a miner, you might think, well, we dig holes, so we'll dig an underground car park. Estate agents could well suggest buying more land nearby to gain additional parking space. And finally, a removal firm could just think, well, we'll move to another office where there's a bigger car park. And so to summarise, remember the words of Anaïs Nin. She said, "We don't see things as they are, we see them as we are." And it is important that we remember this throughout the life of our projects. We want to avoid using preconceived notions based upon our view of the world. And at Touchstone Energy, we want to work with you to develop original, innovative solutions to your business problems to help give you competitive advantage. My name's Chapman. I thank you for watching this. Goodbye.